Factory data reset Samsung Galaxy A56. Insert your USB cable. Make sure it's connect successfully and charge. And now power button volume down and power button volume up. So let's try. Press and hold the power button and volume down. Keep pressing. On's gone, then volume up button now. On logo comes, release your hand from power button and keep pressing. Then you can see the menu. Just simply go to select the factory reset, press on enter, go to factory reset. Now your phone will be resetting. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.